Blockchain technology allows for secure transactions executed on a stable backend. Smart contracts are programs that are executed on the blockchain and allow us to do funny things. We can send money into the contracts, we can send money out, and we can also read and write data on the blockchain in these contracts. In this video, we propose Contractor, an application for editing contracts similar to real-world contracts and making smart contracts from them on the blockchain. Contractor is a Web3 application. Its core features do not rely on centralized back-end technology, but instead place your contracts on popular blockchains, such as the Aleph0 blockchain. You can just open contractor.xyz to get started. As in any other Web3 app, you first have to connect the app to your wallet. Contractor may in the future include support for many kinds of wallets and blockchains, such as MetaMask and the Ethereum network, since the core concept is compatible with most popular chains. In our proof of concept, we integrated the Polkadot.js SDK, which allows connection to any chain that supports the contract substrate palette. Contractor is not just an editor, it is a full-fledged app for interacting with your contracts. When you log in, you are presented with your tasks, rewards, and violation notifications from your existing and live contracts. Contracts help enforce agreements by multiple means. A smart contract's code can verify the user who is calling the contract. It can also verify based on the blockchain data whether certain past events have actually taken place. For example, a contract might require Alice to send a signature, signaling that she is done with one of the items in the contract before a given deadline. This requirement for a signature would create a task for Alice when she looks at the app. The heart and soul of Contractor is its streamlined contract editor. Via this user interface, people can quickly create smart contract logic. The Google Forms-like editor spits out the source code of the contract, which is sent to the Contractor compiler, the only centralized piece of our infrastructure which hosts the development tooling necessary to compile these contracts. Your browser gets back the compiled contract and initiates the transaction to deploy it to the chain. You are paying the fees to deploy the contract, and you can authorize this transaction by signing it in the pop-up extension window. Contracts in Contractor, similar to real-world contracts, are made up of paragraphs. For now, you can give paragraphs a name, and you can define a number of provisions in a paragraph. Each provision is some kind of requirement or action, such as requiring a signature or creating a so-called reward. Contracts may require sending deposits before other paragraphs are activated. To create payouts, rewards can be allocated by the contract, which can be claimed by the reward owner by a click of a button in the app. Our proof of concept is kept simple for now, but with a little bit of work, we can cover a wide range and variety of contracts. Contractor has been created by Botond, Berci, and Frank. We are a team of engineers who like to experiment with stuff. In this hack, we experimented extensively with containerizing the build tools for smart contracts to be able to create a software-as-a-service solution for the compilation pipeline. We also dived deep into AI for being able to quickly write the proof of concepts, and surprisingly, to create even this very video you are watching. Thank you for watching our presentation on Contractor. Feel free to visit the source code to get an insight of how things work, but you can also find a link to open the demo application in the description below. Bye.